What an exciting day. It's great to be back with you at Galaxy Unpacked.
Today, we're excited to introduce the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Both models of the Watch 4 series come with an incredibly durable strap. You can pick from more than 40 unique watch faces right out of the box. As we showed you earlier this year at Google I/O and the Mobile World Congress, we've been working closely with Google to create a new unified platform. Introducing Wear OS powered by Samsung. You'll get seamless access to your favorite Google apps like Google Maps and top-tier fitness apps like Strava, Swim.com, Adidas Running, and Golf Buddy Smart Caddy. On this new platform, you'll also have a better experience with Android smartphones with improved access to apps on Google Play. We're also bringing you advanced hardware and an even more intuitive user interface. And that starts with the Samsung Health experience. Your Watch 4 and Galaxy smartphone can work together to track your snoring and breathing patterns continuously. This means your smartphone detects the sounds of your snores and your watch checks your blood oxygen levels once every second. And today, we're thrilled to introduce another incredible experience that will make your health tracking more holistic. It's called Body Composition Measurement. You can easily check it anytime, anywhere, all with 2 fingers. We built the Watch 4 with our most advanced health capabilities yet, including Samsung Bioactive Sensor. The Watch 4 series has blood pressure and ECG rhythm monitoring that helps you keep tabs on your body to catch anything out of the ordinary. And now, we're extending these capabilities to even more customers, bringing blood pressure and ECG monitoring to more than 30 countries. Your health data, including body composition, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and ECG, is easy to understand on the Samsung Health app. And with all this info available at a glance, it's simple to track your health. I'm so excited that the Galaxy Watch 4 series lets you choose from a wide range of workouts to find the ones that suit you best and help you reach your health goals. Now, you can enjoy team-based competitions on your watch with friends and family. Keep each other motivated, check on everyone's progress with in-app posts and messages, and celebrate your victories with badges and points. LTE connectivity on the Watch 4 gives you that freedom. You can stream Spotify on your watch, even if you don't have your phone. You can also track your time and map out your routes all right from your wrist. Now, you can more easily navigate your Watch 4 with 2 buttons located on the side. Thanks to its circular design, the Galaxy Watch 4 series delivers unique bezel interactions. Just swipe the bezel like this. You can check notifications and various apps. It's so easy. Answer a call by waving your forearm up and down, or dismiss alerts with just a shake of your wrist. You can get your own Galaxy Watch 4 from $249 and Watch 4 Classic from $349 starting August 27th.
We're introducing 2 new foldables that you will love, starting with Galaxy Z Fold 3. When closed, Z Fold 3 looks and works like a standard smartphone. You can glide across your screen as you scroll through with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, these high-quality visuals continue on the main screen, which has the same refresh rate and dynamic display. At 7.6 inches, Z Fold 3's main display delivers a tablet-like experience, introducing the world's very first foldable with an under-display camera. Galaxy Z Fold 3's stereo speakers deliver multi-dimensional sound with incredible spatial effects. We've enhanced how you experience your apps. Now it's optimized for the large screen, like a tablet. See how the chat list pops up on the left and your messages appear on the right. You're seeing everything at the same time. Before, the menu disrupted your view. Now, the menu takes up less room on your screen. With the Z Fold 3, multitasking is effortless, thanks to the taskbar. Pin your favorite apps to it for quick access, just like you would on your PC. You can even use it to open multiple apps without returning to the home screen. And with your recently used apps right there, it's more convenient than ever to switch between them. So we're teaming up with third-party app services to make your favorite apps easier to use on your foldable.
With the addition of the S Pen to the 4 series, we have introduced a whole new way of taking advantage of the Z Fold 3's larger display. Both the Fold 3 and Flip 3 have an IPX8 water resistance rating. The main dynamic displays on both the Fold and Flip are strong and durable. By redesigning the layer structure and using a new protective film made out of PET, a sturdy yet flexible material. When closed, the outer body is protected from everyday scratches with a Gorilla Glass Victus. All of this is protected by our strongest aluminum frame yet, Armor Aluminum. It's lightweight, so it keeps your phone safe without weighing it down.
Introducing the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's our most stylish smartphone yet. It has a sleek body and a compact design when closed. We've integrated the cover screen with the front camera, creating a truly seamless look. Z Flip 3 comes in 4 eye-catching colors: cream, green, lavender, and phantom black. And you can get even more color options, like pink, white, and grey, exclusively at Samsung.com. You can add a personal touch across the cover and main screens. Or coordinate your look by matching your wallpaper from your phone to your Galaxy Watch. It has a cover screen that's 4 times larger, so you can conveniently access your favourite apps and widgets even when it's closed. Not only can I check my messages more clearly, but I can simply swipe to check out even more widgets.
Thanks to my Z Flip 3's larger cover screen, I can preview my images and videos before I take them. To take an incredible photo, just open your Z Flip 3 and place it upright on a flat surface. If you're with lots of friends, you won't have to worry about anyone getting cut out of the frame. In flex mode, your camera will use auto framing to optimize your shot. It can recognize up to 4 people from up to 3.5 meters away in wide angle mode. And when you've got more than 5 friends in the frame, your Z Flip 3 will automatically shift to an ultra wide angle. Capture shots by using voice commands, or if you're wearing a Galaxy Watch, just a tap.
Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will be available from August 27th for $1,799 and $999 respectively. You can pre-order both starting today. If you pre-order Galaxy Z Flip 3 or Z Fold 3, you'll get a year of protection from Samsung Care Plus, our premium support service. Your phone will be protected from accidental damage, including a one-time screen replacement. With Galaxy Z Fold 3, you'll get an amazing viewing experience. And thanks to an all-new under-display camera, water resistance, and the first ever foldable S Pen, with Galaxy Z Flip 3, you can do more with a larger, more versatile cover screen. It also comes with stereo speakers. We're proud to introduce Galaxy Buds 2. These earbuds are an update to our Buds Plus.
They come in soft, natural colors that spice up every single look. On the outside, the case looks like any other, but inside, it's filled with one of our 4 beautiful color options. Buds 2 deliver a super secure fit. They're the smallest and lightest buds we've ever made. They use a 2-way speaker, a woofer for more powerful bass, and a tweeter for cleaner, high notes. To block out all that background noise, Galaxy Buds 2 come with best-in-class active noise cancelling. With ANC on, your battery will last up to 5 hours. With ANC off, your battery will last up to 7.5 hours. And your case will keep your Buds 2 working for up to 20 hours. With Buds 2, you can use ambient mode to choose from 3 levels of ambient sound. Buds 2 deliver advanced call quality. With Buds 2, you can call a friend while you're in a noisy area, and your friend will still be able to hear your voice clearly. And if you pair them with your Galaxy Watch, you can switch to ambient mode with just a tap in your Buds controller app. And with Auto Switch, moving between your smartphone, tablet, and watch is easier than ever.
Galaxy Buds 2 will be available for $149 on August 27th